Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how you can fix your gut bacteria. The first way is to take probiotics and eat fermented foods. To boost the beneficial bacteria or probiotics in the gut, some people choose to take probiotic supplement. They are available in health food stores, drugstores, and online. I'll show you my favorite at the end of the video. Some research has suggested that taking probiotics can support a healthy gut microbiome and that it may prevent gut inflammation and other intestinal problems. Fermented foods are a natural source of probiotics. Consuming the following foods regularly can improve your gut health: fermented vegetables, kimchi, kombucha, sauerkraut, just to name a few. The second is to eat less sugar and sweeteners. Eating a lot of sugar or artificial sweeteners can cause different gut conditions, which is an imbalance of gut microbes. Authors of a 2015 study suggested that the Western Standard Diet, which is high in sugar and fat, negatively affects the gut microbiome and in turn can influence the brain and behavior. Another study reported that the artificial sweetener aspartame increases the number of some bacterial strains that are linked with metabolic disease. Research has also indicated that human use of artificial sweeteners can negatively impact blood glucose levels due to their effect on gut flora. This means that artificial sweeteners may increase blood sugar despite not actually being sugar. The third way is avoiding taking antibiotics unnecessarily. Although it is often necessary to take antibiotics to combat bacterial infections, overuse is a significant public health concern that can lead to antibiotic resistance. Antibiotics are also damaging to the gut microbiota and immunity, with some research reporting that even 6 months after their use, the gut still lacks several species of beneficial bacteria. According to the CDC in America, doctors in the United States prescribe around 30% of antibiotics unnecessarily. As a result, the CDC recommends that people discuss antibiotics and alternative options with their doctor before use. So try to avoid using antibiotics unless you really need to, or you have a real infection. So those are the 3 ways that I recommend, and now I'm going to show you my favorite supplement for increasing gut health and bacteria. The supplement is called Sinogut, and it is 100% plant-based ingredients. It contains probiotics, prebiotics, fibers, and natural laxatives. It's made in the USA and is FDA approved and is the best supplement that I have personally used. I'll show you here the list of ingredients. They're all natural. It's a 30-day treatment period designed to fix your digestive issues and heal your gut bacteria in that 30 days, and they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So after the 30 days, you have 30 more days to see if there's any benefits, and if not, then they will give you a money-back guarantee. This product personally fixed all my issues, so I recommend it. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I hope this video helped you out. Try the 3 things I mentioned. I'll see you in the next video.